Hello my friends, today I want to simplify this expression 9 over 4 to the power of 9 over 4. You know 9 and 4 is the squared numbers of 3 and 2. So I can write 9 as 3 squared and 4 as 2 squared to the power of 9 over 4. And both of them are squared, so I can write it as 3 over 2 squared and whole term over 9 over 4. And these two powers can be multiplied. 3 over 2 to the power of 2 times 9 over 4, which is 3 over 2 to the power of, it could be simplified, 9 over 2. So, you know 9 is 4 plus 4, 4 plus 5. I can write the rest here. So, it equals to 3 over 2. And I can write 9 as 4 plus 5 over 2, which is 3 over 2 to the power of 4 over 2 is 2 plus 5 over 2. Okay, you know when you have a number to the power of summation of two numbers, you can write it. I can write a to the power of m plus n is a m times a to the power of n. So I can rewrite this expression based off this formula. So 3 over 2 to the power of 2 times 3 over 2 to the power of the rest 5 over 2. The first term is like exactly the first term we wrote it. So the both numerator and denominator could be squared. 3 to 2 and 2 to the power of 2 times 3 over 2, 5 over 2 as a power. So I can write the rest here and I erase this side. Okay, now 3 squared is 9 over 4 times here. You know 3 over 2 to the power of 5 over 2, which is again based off the aspect property of the powers. You can write it 1 over 2 times 5, which is again 9 over 4 times, you can write it 1/2 and the entire expression to the power of 5. Okay, now it's very easy because you can make the power this power both in numerator and denominator. So which is 9 over 4 times 3 to the power of 1 over 2, which is square root of 3 exactly for the denominator, and both terms to the power of 5. Okay, again, I erase this side and write the rest 9/4 times, for this one, square root of 5 to the power of 5 over exactly for square root of 2, which is like this. And I can write it 9/4 times, this means 5 times square root of 3. Exactly for this. I write it and expand it here. So times, 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 and times. 5 times square root of 3. Exactly for here, 5 times of square root of 2. And now I can simplify this whole expression, because now you know 3 square root of 3 and square root of 3, when they are multiplied, this is just 3. So we have 1 time here and 1 time here, exactly for this one and this one. So the answer 9/4 times here. This one is 3 times 3 times, and this one just a single one. I just write it here. Here again 2, 2, and square root of 2. Okay, 9/4 times 3, 3, 9, square root of 3, 4, square root of 2, which is 9 times 9, 81, and this one is square root of 3. Here is 16 square root of 3. Maybe it's enough until here, but you can go a little bit further. I show you here by multiply both side of fractions to the square root of the, because we don't like a square root in denominator. So it's better to get rid of that, because it's very simple, maybe sometimes it's very beautiful, but you don't have to go further. But we are going to simplify this fraction. So it's better to multiply to the square root of the what you have in the fraction, in the denominator. For numerator 81, and these two terms is 3 times 2 is 6, and this one is 16 times 2, because these two terms are 2. And finally 81 square root of 6 over 32. And this is the final form of simplifying this fraction. Thank you for your watching.